Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. Well, today I have a special giveaway to announce, so make sure you stay until the end for the details. We're continuing this series that's all about food hauls for 1 or 2 people, and I'm definitely going to continue to insert recipe ideas for you guys and link those below. And if you haven't checked out the other food hauls, definitely do that so you can get more ideas. And with that being said, let's get started and let's keep it easy. The first item I purchased was this box of Carla Leaves nut tacos. These are absolutely delicious, and if you're looking for gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO, MSG-free, and high protein, this is definitely a great purchase to get. It also has a great amount of fiber. Surprisingly, it was on clearance for $3.69. They usually go for about $7.99, so it was definitely a bargain. This time the Gardein products were BOGO, so I got the crispy tenders for my son, and I also picked up the beefless sliders. I got a bag of organic apples, and I try to buy organic whenever I can, but apples are definitely something that I get organic all the time because I can actually taste the difference. I also got some Scotch bonnet peppers. They're super spicy and bring the heat. So let's see, what else did I get? Oh, I got these avocado. I got 5 of those, and then I also got some beets. I like to add fresh beets to salads for extra crunch and nutrients, and my favorite thing to do is chop them up. I'll chop up the top part, cut the top part off, cut off the bottom part, clean them up, and then just cut them enough so that they fit into the food processor. And then I like to slice them. So I'll add the blade to the food processor so it slices them, and it makes them, pretty much like beet chips. They are really great for dipping. So guys, even though I picked up avocado, I ended up getting some guac as well because I like to do that sometimes if I get avocados that aren't ripe yet. So while I'm waiting, I can enjoy some guacamole. I also picked up 2 packages of cantaloupe. And I'm so happy that my son is eating these again, because when he was younger, he used to say he didn't like them, but I guess he forgot because he tried some the other day and he said, oh, these are good, I like these. So yeah, he likes them now. Okay, so back here, I picked up some sweet peppers. Sweet peppers are really great for cooking and also adding to salads. I also got some scallion and some cucumber. And I got some cauliflower because I'm going to be making my Panamanian raw vegan ceviche. I really like making this, and it's basically a cold salad that's pretty crunchy. Usually people would add seafood to this. I'll go ahead and link the recipe for you guys so you can see what it looks like. I'll also insert some pictures so you can see. This is me making the cauliflower rice. You just chop up the cauliflower and put it in a food processor and get it kind of fine. Then you're adding all of these different ingredients. The dressing is basically lime juice, and it's very delicious. It's refreshing, it's crunchy. It's a really good dish. And then with some of the leftover cauliflower rice, I made some curry rice salad. So that's basically just the curry, lime juice, salt and pepper, and you're good to go. Now let's get back to this haul. I got 2 bags of kale. And I also got 2 bottles of this Natalie's orange juice, beet juice mix. It's only those 2 ingredients, which is really nice. And all of that, you guys, was just a little bit over $51. So that's the beauty of shopping, buy one, get one. When you can do it, you can really get a lot of items at a good price. It's hard to believe that I spent only a little over $51 for all of this. And now let's get into the giveaway. I'm giving away another box of Carla Leaves nut tacos. This video isn't sponsored, but I did partner with them to bring you another free box of their delicious nut tacos. So thank you so much for watching and sharing these videos. How you can enter is making sure you're subscribed to my channel. Go ahead and follow Carla Leaves Nut Burgers, and then share this video and then leave a comment below. So I'll leave the details in the description box so that you can review them again and you can enter and win yourself a box. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, and good luck!